In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your region on Steam. Whether you're moving to a new country or just spending an extended period abroad, updating your Steam region can help ensure that your store reflects the correct currency and available content for your location. So let's dive right into the steps you need to follow to make this change. First, open your Steam application and head over to your Steam store homepage. You'll find this by launching the Steam client on your computer. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so with your Steam account credentials to access the full range of options. Once you're on the Steam Store home screen, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll see your profile name. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options regarding your account. From the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Account Details and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your Steam account, including your purchase history, account security, and, importantly for today's task, your store preferences. Now that you're in your account details, search for the section that mentions Update Store Country. This is a crucial step because if you've moved to a new country or are living abroad for a while, you'll need to update your Steam country settings. Steam uses your location to determine the currency and the availability of certain games and content, so it's important to have this set correctly. It's important to note that Steam will generally prompt you to change your store region when you make your first purchase from your new location. You'll need to use a payment method associated with the country you're in. If your current location doesn't match the country setting on your account, Steam will offer you the option to change it while you're viewing your cart or during the purchase process itself. This ensures that your account settings align with your new locale. And there you have it. Those are the steps to change a region on Steam. Whether you're looking to access region-specific content or simply need to update your account because of a recent move, this straightforward process will help ensure that your Steam account reflects your current location. Remember to complete these steps carefully and double-check your settings to ensure a smooth transition. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks.